Hello everyone, this is Anna here, real estate negotiator from PropNex Malaysia. Today I'm going to show you one of the units in Casa Indah 1. It's 1384 square feet, 2 plus 1 bedroom and 3 bathrooms. Come, let's have a look. Over here is the dining area, living space. As you can see, the living space here is very big, okay, and it's very suitable for family. And what is the reason of most buyers looking at Casa Indah condo is because of its golf view. Come, let me show you. Look at this. I think everyone needs a special spot like this to rest their mind after a really stressful day at work. Are you hungry now? I think I am. Come, I cook something for you. Just joking. Okay, this is the kitchen area. So the kitchen comes with a bar counter, 2 bar stools, built-in cabinets, and hood and hob. How much do you think is the rental per month for this unit? Do you want to provide your family with a comfortable and peaceful, calming, soothing place to live? Well, I think this is the place. A unit so spacious like this one and with 2 car parks would easily cost you 2,500 per month. But guess what? This unit is only 2,200 per month. Do you like this unit? If yes, please feel free to contact me at 016-623-9933 to book this unit now. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.